YouTube. I'm going over here, installing this, well, pretty much everything in this Ford Expedition right now. We're tore it apart, putting everything back together, motor, everything pretty much. Seats, just put the rear seats, put these seats in, finishing up putting this, but I have to figure something out, because you see here, see those? They're a star. Well, put it right there, right there. And I was just trying to tighten them down. See, I could find something I could hit them with real quick. So I can turn them down real quick. Try to finagle this thing in there. Finagle this thing in there. And then you just turn it down. Just try to pass, but hopefully I'm gonna tighten this down. I'll get back to you. Hopefully it'll be done. So we got this one done pretty much. We got this one pretty much tightened down. See, there's a little spinach, but finished tightening that one up. Go with that one. That one's good. Let's tighten this one down a little bit. Let's set this up quick and then get back to you. Well, we got them back on there. Now you got those two. I just gotta plug that thing down there a little bit. Plug it up. Got those two. Do the front two, and then we'll be good as well. So, that's what I'm saying. We gotta plug this up down there somewhere. Get that up in a minute. These are the ones that we got screwing down. Put these in there, and then we'll be solid. And then we'll do the center console. Then go to that one, and then we'll be good to go. Back to